Hi, today we're going to show you how we installed this 16-foot garage door bottom weather stripping with the 5/16 T-ends. It was about $25 on Amazon, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and then we're going to look inside here. Okay, so it looks pretty nice, and you can see here there's kind of the T formation and it's got that little middle part which is the extra sealant. So there's actually a screw that needs to be removed on this side, and you can see how bad our garage door stripping is right now. That definitely needs to be replaced. Okay, so then once you get to the other end, there's another screw that needs to be removed. So we're going to go ahead and start unscrewing those screws. We noticed that the metal was a little bent, so we're going to go ahead and push that out so that we don't have trouble when we go to slide this weather stripping back on. The old stripping is definitely on there very secure, so we're just kind of jiggling it back and forth, trying to loosen it up a little bit so that it will slide off a little bit more easily. But yeah, it's taking a little bit of work there. All right, so we've loosened it up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and slide it off. You might find that one side slides a little easier than the other side, so whichever direction works best for you, just go ahead and slide it right off. Then you're going to prep the track a little bit. You want to clean it, so just get an old toothbrush and brush all the old crud off. You want to make sure that it's clean. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get some Dawn soap. I used about a tablespoon with about 8 ounces of water, and then you're just going to go ahead and spray that on the track so that it will slide easier. Before we made our purchase, we obviously measured our garage door, so the 16-foot is what we needed. It does come in different sizes, but ours is a 16-foot, so that's what we're going to go ahead and get started with. So you need to fold the strip over a little bit. This is going to help you as you're actually threading it onto the track. Go ahead and get it started, and then as you line it up, you're going to kind of push and pull. An extra person for this is really helpful. We had a little bit left over, cut that off, and both sides look really good. You can see here, this is where the screw goes in. We chose to leave that off. It doesn't seem like it really needs it, so hopefully that won't be a problem. It's really tight in there, so I think we are good. Okay, so we have our weather stripping on. It looks good, and we're going to go ahead and bring it down. Perfect. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Please feel free to check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching.